Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris.
And I'm Cameron.
And we are just about to start a really fun little time trial.
That's right, so we want to show you how fast simple click technology is. And I realize that in all of our installation videos, I'm talking the entire time, and you can't really see the speed of the installation. So we rigged up this clock so you can see how fast a SolarEdge Nexis system can be installed.
So we're going to do a bit of a time lapse, install SolarEdge Nexis, and we're going to go ahead and wire it up. We're not going to do conduits just because that can be a time-consuming thing and it's going to vary from site to site. We just want to give you a baseline for what the install time will take.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. Prior to installing the next block, what you're going to want to do is take off the covers off the bottom of the quick connect. So everything's mounted?
Everything's mounted.
So that is, everything was mounted in about 14 minutes and 15 seconds. We're going to go for some bonus points here, and we're going to install some conductors. And time.
So, what did we learn?
Hold on, let me turn off the fan.
So what did we learn? We learned that we could install a Nexus stack. We took shortcuts with the conduit because conduit is going to change on a site-by-site basis. So we just represented the conduit with a straight connector. But irregardless, minus your conduit run, you can do a 3 stack of batteries with a link and a Nexus inverter in 15 minutes and then 25 minutes for wiring. An extra 10 minutes to wire it up. So you can get a whole Nexus system in under 30 minutes.
All right, thanks for joining us today. We had a lot of fun. Stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers.